So far we've learned up and down bow, and we've kept the bow on the string for the most part. Well, now we're going to learn how to circle the bow above the string, so we return to the original location, or in the lower half of the bow, near the frog. Let's try that on D string, starting in the lower quarter of the bow, near the frog. And you want to make sure that your landing is very smooth when you're circling back to the lower half of the bow. Sometimes it can get very messy, but keep your right hand very firmly attached to the bow and make the circular motion. Very good. So you want to make sure that you're landing without a bounce or a crash, but very, very smoothly. Let's try now different rhythms. For instance, 4 quarter notes in a row with a rest. In each of those rests, that's when we circle the bow back to the original location. In other words, back to the lower half or the frog. So let's start with open G, 3 quarter notes in a row, and then a rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. Let's try that again. Make sure that your bow is smoothly placed on the string after the circle. Open G, 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Rest. Now let's try that on D string. Open D. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. And C string. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Rest. And A string. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Rest. It's a really good idea when you're first learning how to do bow circles or lifting the bow to do really exaggerated circles. So I'll show you again on G string. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 Now we're ready to play Shortnin Bread. The first 2 notes in the piece are both down bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job.